Okay, to download GeoGebra, we first of all go to the download screen here, and you'll see it's geogebra.org/download. There is also a link in the first page of this one notebook. Here you'll see download GeoGebra apps, and so you'll see right down here, app downloads. So you can download the apps. They're free offline GeoGebra apps for Apple, Android, Windows, Mac, Chromebook, and Linux. You can get the calculator suite, the graphing calculator, the 3D calculator, the geometry set, the GeoGebra Classic 6, the CAS calculator, and the GeoGebra Classic 5. When you click on each of them, you will see what each type is. The suite explores functions, etc. So you can simply go through and see. So you have the Classic 5 and the Classic 6. I prefer to use the Classic 6 as it's a later version. When you click on download, it takes you to the page where the download is, and it opens up a dialog box asking you if you would like to download it. Since I already have it, I'm going to press cancel, but you can go ahead and press save. So the next thing is, if you don't want to download it, you could also use it online. Press on start, and it opens up the application as a web-based application. So that is how you go about doing the download. And then you'll see that it's available for mobile apps, Google Store, and App Store. And your more downloads, apps embedding, apps API, and so on. So that's it for how to obtain GeoGebra for both online and offline use.